Hello, first grade parents. I'm excited to start first grade math with you today. We are going to go over a lesson normally on this Screencast-O-Matic, and I'm going to upload it on YouTube every day so you can get on to see what our lesson was for the day. But today we are going to just send home this letter. So every chapter I'm going to be sending home a letter about what we're going to be learning about for the rest of that chapter. So we're going to be learning addition, and on here we have some vocabulary words that we're going to be talking about this whole chapter, such as plus, like 1 plus 3 equals 4. That's a part of the addition sentence. Sum, which is what you have all together, that's your answer. And 0, so just learning a number, and the 0 does have a value to it. And there's also some activities and things that you can do at home. So we will not have homework tonight. However, just knowing that we are going to be doing addition and working on addition concepts and putting numbers and objects and all those kinds of things together to get more. And you can have your students show you what more is, and they should be able to show you that we get more and more. So those are some of the actions that I use in the classroom. So go ahead and visit YouTube every day if you need to or want to see how I taught the lesson and what all we learned in class that day. And today was just kind of a little review for us, so there is no lesson today for you to watch, but you can for sure watch them in the future. So if you have any questions at all about math or how we do math or even Common Core math, just let me know, shoot me an email, or watch this video, and it usually helps answer a lot of questions. So I'm excited to get started on math, and we are starting chapter 1 today, and it is over addition. Have a good day.